Uh, in previous session, we have discussed about all the joins, right? Why we use these joins? Joins will be used to check that how exactly my data is there. Okay. In case I would like to create a temporary, I would like to store them, like for a temporary basis in a server. Okay, those table which I extracted by using a join and all, I would like to create a temporary table. Okay, whenever I require, I no need to write again that entire join. If I write that particular statement, that table name, like temporary table name, I need to get it as a that information. Okay, I will not be going to like create a new database here. I'm just creating the virtual database about some of the join. Like for example, what I will take, I say I will take the inner join. Okay, this inner join we have done, right? This inner join. Okay, we'll create this table. Okay, inner join table separately by using view function. Okay, for example, if I say create view, means this is a temporary table to be created. View, the name of the view, I say inner underscore join, the name for the view. As means what to be stored here, I just say this inner joint statement we return, right? I will select second one. I'll copy that and paste it here. Okay. So what I'm saying, this entire join to be stored as inner join in the form of the view, temporary view. Okay. So I will execute this. Okay. It executed successfully. It's not shown a result, right? Because it has been stored temporarily in a virtual machine. Okay, if I like to get like all the columns from this inner join, like join data what we have, from that join data I would like to have the all the column. The normal statement I will write select star from, I say inner underscore join, from this temporary table name I will give. Now you can see the first name, age and department, the join them together, inner join happened. From that we got the all the table name. Only age is required. From that we can say age. So only age will give. For example, age comma department underscore name I need, I can get it like this, right? So I can get the some of the, like, it is not a actual table, it is a virtual table created on some query, and it cannot be used for all the queries. There is certain limitations also for this one. Okay, only for the inner join, sometimes on a left join also I think it is not working. You can try for the other joins also. Okay, it work on a certain things only, but it will be very helpful wherever it is working. Okay, uh, in next session we will discuss about the stored procedures, like how can we store something like some of the queries and we can execute them whenever it is required. That will helpful to take the advantage on this particular thing. But before that, I just want to say that, like, how can we create a view? Okay, we can check, is it possible to describe I just want to check the schema, is it possible? I'm checking now. Inner underscore join. Yeah, schema also is that, like, yes, null can be an integer varchar and like that. Okay, in case I would like to drop them, drop view, the view name inner underscore join, right? It's dropped successfully. Okay, so now if I try to do that, like select star from inner underscore join, it has to give the error because we have been already dropped. It says that table inner join doesn't exist because we already dropped it, right? So this view, creating a view for any of your table, It will helpful, like quickly we can check the data without interrupting my original data, because it will stored as a virtual data. So original data will not be impacted whatever you are doing on this particular data. Okay, so do to do some like trial and errors and all, we use this view function. And second thing you need to know about, like here is a not only the view cannot be used for the aggregate functions also, on the aggregate functions also, like group by or sum of, average, these things when you do, there also we will not be able to use this view, this particular query. Okay, in coming session, we'll discuss about stored procedures in a SQL.